Ever wondered what would happen if your business's data was stolen? Cybercriminals are targeting all businesses all the time with automated tools. It only takes one small gap in your security for them to get in and copy your data. Luckily, you have a secret weapon: encryption. It transforms your data into unreadable text that can only be deciphered with a specific key. There are two main types of encryption: symmetric, where the same key is used to encrypt and decrypt the data, and asymmetric, where two different keys are used, one public, one private. Think of it as sending a sealed letter. Only the person with the right key can open it and read the contents. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Set up encryption for your business today. And if we can help you do that, get in touch.